Welcome to the Higher Perspective Guided Meditation channel. My name is Laura and I will be your guide. Find yourself in a comfortable seated or laying down position and soften your gaze or close your eyes if that feels comfortable. And bring awareness to your breath. Begin to take slow, deep, even breaths. And keep your conscious awareness on your breath throughout the entire meditation. In this meditation, we will look at how fighting without repair affects our relationships. This is not about fighting fair or using specific tools. Rather, it focuses on the importance of repairing what gets torn during fights before moving on. Disagreements and misunderstandings happen in any relationship because each individual comes to a union with their own perspective, life experience, and wounds. What if we set our intention on ensuring that whatever gets torn also gets repaired during a fight? It is important to note that the people closest to us can trigger us and activate our insecurities the most. Oftentimes we have a long history with the person that we are fighting with. So a simple disagreement can quickly turn into a battle of who's right instead of an opportunity for clarity and connection. Think about that for a moment. When we fight, how do we go into the fight? Do we have love, connection, and forgiveness in sight? Do we have to be right, win at any cost, or resort to unhealthy responses? One of the most detrimental things we can do during a fight is leave it in a state of unrepair. This shows a lack of emotional maturity, willingness to listen, and abandonment of love. Imagine that you get into a fight with your significant other and you leave it unrepaired. Allowing time to pass in hopes that the other person gets over it and things return to normal. This is an unhealthy response and it breeds resentment, disconnection, and ultimately leaves a hole in the relationship. Let's pause to notice how we go into fights, how we behave during fights, and if we repair the break before moving on. notice if it's difficult to observe how you fight without judgment. Remember to breathe and stay an observer as if you were watching a movie of someone else's life happening on screen. Whatever you see is okay and nothing has to change. This is simply a practice in being present and aware of your patterns. This judgment may be directed towards yourself or others. Give yourself plenty of time and space to reflect. If you find yourself in the sweep it under the rug camp, think about where this came from. Oftentimes, we repeat the behavior we saw as a child. If you are in the let's make up because the fight is uncomfortable camp, realize that this is no better because it doesn't include the most important component of repair. What if we could all choose to go into the repair stage before moving forward? This is going to look different for everyone because some people can diffuse a situation from fight to conversation and quickly get to the repair stage. Other times, we need space to cool off, reflect, and then we can come back to the issue with a clear mind and calm demeanor. Take a moment to determine what getting to the repair state would look like for you. I would also like to mention that getting to the repair state after fighting is not always reachable. This may be due to one of the people not being willing to engage, putting up our own walls of defense, or because a relationship has simply reached a breaking point beyond consciously choosing to repair, if we value getting to a state of repair, and if we are willing to keep repair in mind, no matter the fight. Breathe and receive the conscious ability to fight with repair